Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on TECNO Camon 18 Premier. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is on the bottom right here. Next is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, and that's all of the speakers on this device. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that would mean this device doesn't have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.